I bet you didn't know push-ups could transform your fitness. Want to feel strong and fit? Push-ups are your secret weapon. They build awesome upper body strength. Get ready to learn the perfect push-up and feel amazing. Push-ups are like a magic workout for your chest, shoulders, and arms. They make you strong and boost your confidence. Let's do this. Before we start pushing, let's get your form right. Think of your body as a straight line from your head to your heels. Imagine a superhero landing strong and steady. Place your hands a bit wider than your shoulders. Keep your fingers pointing forward. This is your starting position, your strong base. Breathing is super important for a powerful push-up. As you go down, breathe in like you're smelling a flower. As you push up, breathe out like you're blowing out candles. This breathing trick helps you stay strong throughout the push-up. It's like giving your muscles an extra boost of energy. I will show you how to get the best push-up of your life. Start in your strong plank position. Lower your body by bending your elbows. Keep your core tight, like you're about to get tickled. Lower yourself until your chest gently touches the floor. Then, push back up using your chest and arm muscles. That's one perfect push-up. Section 5. Not there yet? No problem. Modifications to the rescue. Whether you're just starting out or looking to perfect your form, modifications can be a game changer. Can't do a full push-up yet? No worries. Start with knee push-ups. These are a fantastic way to build strength gradually. They're just like regular push-ups, but you keep your knees on the ground. This reduces the amount of weight you need to lift, making it easier to focus on your form. Another great option is incline push-ups. These are perfect if knee push-ups are still a bit too challenging or if you want to mix things up. Find a sturdy surface like a bench or a wall. The higher the surface, the easier the push-up will be. This is a great way to gradually increase the difficulty as you get stronger. Place your hands on the surface and do your push-ups. Make sure your body is in a straight line from your head to your heels, just like with regular push-ups. As you get stronger, you can lower the surface. This will increase the challenge and help you build more strength. Eventually, you'll be able to do push-ups on the floor with perfect form. Wall push-ups are another excellent modification. They're great for beginners or for those who need a less intense workout. Stand a few feet away from the wall, place your hands on it, and perform the push-up motion. This is a great way to get used to the movement without putting too much strain on your muscles. As you get more comfortable with wall push-ups, you can transition to incline push-ups and then to knee push-ups. This progression will help you build strength and confidence. Remember, the key is to listen to your body and progress at your own pace. Modifications are there to help you, not to hold you back. With consistent practice, you'll be amazed at how quickly you improve. So don't be discouraged if you're not there yet. Use these modifications to build your strength and perfect your form. Before you know it, you'll be doing full push-ups with ease. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Every step forward is a step towards your fitness goals. Keep pushing, keep modifying, and keep improving. You've got this. That's it for this section. Remember, modifications are your friends. Use them wisely and keep progressing. See you in the next section. Section 6. Keep going. Celebrate every push-up victory. Remember, practice makes progress. Don't worry if you can't do many push-ups at first. Start with a few and gradually increase the number. Every push-up you do is a victory. Celebrate your progress and keep pushing yourself. You'll be amazed at how strong you become. Section 7. Building strength brick by brick. The power of consistency. Consistency is key when it comes to building strength. Try to do a few push-ups every day, even if it's just a couple. Think of it like brushing your teeth for your muscles. Set realistic goals and stick to them. You can even make it fun by challenging your friends or family to a push-up contest. Section 8. Listen to your body, rest and recover. While it's great to challenge yourself, it's also important to listen to your body. Pushing your limits can lead to significant improvements in your fitness levels, but it's crucial to recognize when your body is signaling that it needs a break. Overtraining can lead to injuries, burnout, and setbacks in your fitness journey. If you feel any pain, stop and rest. Pain is your body's way of telling you that something isn't right. Ignoring these signals can lead to more serious injuries that could sideline you for weeks or even months. It's better to take a short break now than to be forced into a long one later. Don't push yourself too hard, especially when you're just starting out. Beginners are often eager to see quick results, but it's important to build up your strength and endurance gradually. Starting with lighter exercises and slowly increasing intensity can help prevent injuries and ensure long-term success. Rest days are just as important as workout days. Scheduling regular rest days into your fitness routine allows your body to repair and strengthen itself. This is when the real magic happens. Muscles rebuild, energy stores replenish, and your mind gets a chance to reset. They give your muscles time to recover and grow stronger. Without adequate rest, your muscles can't repair the tiny tears that occur during exercise, which can lead to overuse injuries. Incorporating activities like stretching, foam rolling, and gentle yoga on rest days can aid in recovery and keep you flexible. So don't feel guilty about taking a break. Rest is a vital component of any fitness regimen. Embrace your rest days as a necessary part of your journey towards better health and fitness. Remember, it's not about how hard you can push yourself, but how well you can balance effort with recovery. This balance will help you stay consistent and motivated in the long run. On your rest days, consider engaging in light, enjoyable activities that keep you moving without putting too much strain on your body. Activities like walking, playing a casual game, or even spending time with loved ones can be a great way to stay active while giving your body the rest it needs. Additionally, incorporating mindfulness practices such as meditation or deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. These practices can enhance your recovery process by promoting relaxation and mental clarity. Use your rest days to reflect on your progress and set new goals. Journaling about your fitness journey can provide valuable insights and keep you motivated. It's a great way to track your achievements and plan for future workouts. Don't forget the importance of nutrition and hydration on your rest days. Eating a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates will support muscle recovery and overall health. Staying hydrated is equally important, as water plays a crucial role in muscle function and recovery. Finally, prioritize getting enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential for recovery as it allows your body to repair and regenerate. Aim for 9 hours of sleep per night to ensure you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle your next workout. By listening to your body and incorporating rest and recovery into your fitness routine, you'll be better equipped to achieve your goals and maintain a healthy, balanced lifestyle. So embrace your rest days and enjoy the journey towards a stronger, healthier you. Section 9. Fuel your push-up power. Nutrition matters. In this section, we will delve into the critical role that nutrition plays in enhancing your physical performance, particularly when it comes to exercises like push-ups. What you eat plays a big role in how strong you become. The food you consume acts as the fuel for your body, providing the necessary energy and nutrients to perform at your best. Whether you're lifting weights, doing push-ups, or engaging in any form of physical activity, the right nutrition can make a significant difference in your performance and results. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean protein to fuel your muscles. These foods are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that are crucial for muscle repair and growth. Incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet ensures that you get a wide range of nutrients. Lean proteins such as chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes provide the building blocks your muscles need to recover and grow stronger after each workout. Think of it as giving your body the building blocks it needs to get stronger. Just like a house needs bricks and mortar to stand tall, your body needs the right nutrients to build and maintain muscle mass. Protein shakes can be a convenient way to ensure you're getting enough protein, especially after a strenuous workout. They help kickstart the muscle recovery process, allowing you to bounce back quicker and perform better in your next session. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Hydration is often overlooked, but it's a key component of overall fitness and performance. Water helps regulate your body temperature, lubricates your joints, and transports nutrients to give you energy and keep you healthy. Without adequate hydration, your muscles can become fatigued more quickly, and your performance can suffer. Water helps your muscles work their best and prevents you from getting tired too quickly. Staying hydrated ensures that your muscles are functioning optimally, reducing the risk of cramps and injuries. It's important to drink water before, during and after your workouts to maintain peak performance. Remember, even mild dehydration can impact your strength and endurance, so keep that water bottle handy and make hydration a priority in your fitness routine. Section 10. Beyond the basics, level up your push-ups. Once you've mastered the basic push-up, you can challenge yourself with variations. Try diamond push-ups, clap push-ups, or decline push-ups to target different muscle groups. Remember to focus on proper form and control. Even as you try more advanced variations, it's better to do a few perfect reps than many sloppy ones. Section 11. You've got this. Embrace the push-up challenge. Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering the push-up. Remember, consistency is key and progress takes time. Believe in yourself, stay dedicated, and you'll be amazed at what your body can achieve. Now go out there, unleash your inner strength, and conquer the push-up challenge. You've got this. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, click the link below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Your support means a lot and helps us to continue to bring you valuable information, so hit that subscribe button and let's stay healthy together.